consumer demand for synthetic material grows, the race is on to find cleaner, lower-impact ways to produce the essential goods that people wear and use every day. Until recently, the industrial solvent DMF, or dimethylformamide, was commonly used in the production of coatings and treatments for synthetics. But at Stahl, we choose to do things differently. Thanks to years of dedicated work by our sustainable innovation experts, we are helping our partners phase out this potential hazard to health and the environment from their products, allowing them to comply with rapidly changing regulations and market requirements. Like the ECHA's new reduced occupational exposure limits for DMF under the REACH regulation, and the recent inclusion of DMF in ZDHC's manufacturing restricted substances list. Stahl is ready for these changes. Our wide selection of future-proof coatings and treatments for synthetic materials more than meets the requirements of today's ever-stricter DMF concentration limits. For example, our Permutex and Nuvera ranges offer advanced water-based resins, lacquers, and coatings that are DMF-free by design. And our Permuthane Evo range of polyurethane resins and lacquers, created following years of intensive research and development, enable our customers to create fully compliant products, whatever their technical requirements. Meanwhile, our Permutex mechanical foam offers a more responsible alternative to traditional DMF-based coagulation systems for synthetic substrates. But this is just the start. Our R&D experts are currently working on the next generation of DMF-free synthetic solutions, including a high-performance water-based coagulation system for synthetics, giving our partners the flexibility that they need to stay ahead of the game, and helping to create a safer, cleaner, and more compliant synthetics value chain.